Good morning everyone, welcome back. I'm Kamal Sehgal Sood and you're watching the series Plants in My Balcony. So this is part 2 of the green planters. If you remember, we did the first unbox of green planters in the video, and now we are going to use these planters which are actually hydroponic planters which we are going to use for my living room. Now these were the two planters, if you remember and you recall, the two planters, one with the flowers and pebbles in it. The green pebbles I got from Green Planters itself, and second is a small compact planter which will be illuminated if you put charger on it. So let's go about it. Now when we were putting pebbles in it, just remember that do it carefully and tilt it a little bit so that you are not breaking the pot itself, so just be a little careful with that. And always put RO water, because heavy water in these planters can sometimes ruin your plants. So just make sure that you are using RO water, you are not using normal water, and that's it. We don't need anything else, no fertilizer, nothing. The small planters with RO water, and they'll give you a very good serenity around your living room. The planter that I have selected is the money plant, but you can also use jade. You can also use the creepers that they are there in your balcony. You can plug the creeper and you can plant it into the planter, but I am going with money plant, of course, because I really like pothos. Now what you have to do, you have to take a healthy stem from a money plant for about 30 centimeter in length. Give a sharp cut at 45 degrees above a node. Say this is the node region, this. So you give a cut. Here is also a node region. So you can give a cut. Put the stem in the planter, fill the planter with water, and it covers at least one node up. We are going to put water into the planter, and then we are going to immerse this money plant stem. Keep the jar at a place where it can get indirect sunlight. Wherever in your windows you are getting little amount of indirect sunlight coming from windows, coming from doors. So you can put that planters there, and the roots will start appearing in a week or two. It's just like the same that we grow in glasses. Sometimes we grow money plants in glasses in and around surroundings in our room. So we are not using glasses, we are using beautiful planters which will give a very good appearance to your surroundings. So let's go about it. So see, we have filled both the planters with RO water, and now what we are going to do, we are going to put one money plant each in both of them. You can see the pebbles are looking fantastic, the green color, which gives a lot of soothness and peace to the human mind. It is believed scientifically that green color gives a sense of peace and calmness in your surrounding if it is placed in your surroundings. So these are two beautiful planters that we have got, and now look at this. See this. It is provided with a USB port, so any of the mobile charger which is there in your home, whenever there is a guest at home or you want to feel rejuvenated in this time of pandemic, and you want this planter to be at your study table, at your child's study table, or at your office space, because we all are working nowadays right from our home, right from the table of our homes. So this is an excellent planter to give you a very good feeling when it's a small compact planter, but it is looking beautiful with a money plant, and we can place it anywhere. It needs a small space, so it is just beautiful. This is the second one which I am keeping on my dining table along with the salt lamp. So the salt lamp is reducing the negative energy from the houses, and this planter is going to fulfill this part of my room with a lot of positivity and peace around itself, which gives a very good feeling. and I hope you will also like to include these two planters which I have shown you in the places, in the small places, small corners in your home, wherever you want to include a living being, because its plants are living and you always have this feeling of being surrounded by living beings when you are around plants. I think you will like both of them. The one which I'm keeping on the living table, the flask with pebbles, and this is beautiful, which will be going onto the study table in my home. I hope you will like to include both of these super cute planters from Green Planter into your living space, and I wish they also give you this amount of happiness which I am feeling you right now. So if you like the video and you want to get these planters in your living space, you can see the description box about the details and phone number of Green Planters. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends and family, whosoever is a plant lover, and do give your suggestions in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.